Hello everyone, I'm Ratrika Bhaumek and I welcome you all to another episode of Courts This Week on LiveLaw, where we update you about all the important legal developments that took place across the country last week. We will begin with developments from the Supreme Court of India and then move on to High Courts and other subordinate courts. If you like our content, then please don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's begin. In a significant development, the Supreme Court of India has modified its earlier status quo order on the felling of trees at RA region in Mumbai for the Metro Car Shed project and has allowed the Mumbai Metro Rail Corporation to pursue its application before the Tree Authority for the felling of 84 trees. The court said that the Tree Authority will be at liberty to take an appropriate decision on the MMRCL's application by imposing suitable conditions. The court has also observed that the Maharashtra government's fresh decision to restore the location of the car shed at RA after changing its earlier decision to relocate the same to Kanjurmarg was based on relevant considerations. The Supreme Court has set aside the anticipatory bail granted by the Kerala High Court to former police, that is Intelligence Bureau officers R.B. Srikumar, P.S. Jayaprakash, Thampi S. Durga Dutt and Vijayan in connection with the conspiracy to frame former Indian Space Research Organization, that is ISRO scientist Nambi Narayan, in the 1994 ISRO espionage case. The court has remitted the bail applications back to the High Court and has also asked the High Court to decide the same as early as possible within a period of 4 weeks. The Supreme Court has refused to entertain a petition seeking the inclusion of Swami Chakrapani of Hindu Mahasabha in the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra, that is a trust constituted by the Government of India for the construction and management of Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. The matter was heard by Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice P.S. Narasimha. At the very outset, the CJI remarked that there was no vested right that the petitioner had to be included in the Ayodhya Trust. Accordingly, the petition was subsequently withdrawn. The Supreme Court of India has refused to entertain a petition seeking to direct the Bar Council of India to waive enrollment fees for transgender persons. The matter was heard by a bench comprising Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud and Justice P.S. Narasimha. At the very outset, the petitioner submitted that transgender persons belong to the most marginalized community of the country and otherwise required assistance in the form of fee waivers. However, the bench was not convinced with this particular contention. CJI D.Y. Chandrachud remarked, and I quote, "You can't say that don't charge enrollment fee. Then why just transgender persons? Why not extend this to women, disabled and marginalized persons? You must understand the parameters of judicial review," and accordingly the petition was dismissed. A 5-judge constitutional bench headed by Justice K.M. Joseph and comprising Justices Ajay Rastogi, Anuradha Bose, Rishikesh Roy and C.T. Ravikumar is hearing a batch of petitions challenging the constitutionality of laws permitting jallikattu, kambala and bull cart race in states like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Maharashtra. Senior advocate Shyam Devan, appearing on behalf of the petitioners, argued that according to science, the manner in which a bull is structured as an animal, if one were to engage them in a highly stressful situation, they will seek to flee, and that when bulls are kept in an enclosure, it amounts to cruelty. The Supreme Court has recently acquitted a person who was sentenced to 10 years of imprisonment and also to pay Rs 1 lakh fine for the offence of possessing charas, granting him benefit of doubt due to the lacuna and gaps in the prosecution's case. A bench comprising Justices Sanjeev Khanna and J.K. Maheshwari set aside the conviction of the appellant under Section 20 of the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act of 1985. Complying with the August 30th ruling that held that courts in India can direct a messaging app to disclose the information of infringers, Telegram has disclosed the admin names, phone numbers and IP addresses of the channels which are accused of unauthorized sharing of the study material prepared by Campus Private Limited and its teacher Neetu Singh for various competitive examinations. Justice Pratibha M. Singh, in the order dated November 24th, had said that the names of admins, the phone numbers and IP addresses of some of the channels are available with Telegram and that the information has been supplied. The Karnataka High Court has allowed a law student to withdraw his PIL, challenging a central government notification which imposes a precondition on candidates appearing for SST-NT JAG entry scheme 2023 to have appeared for CLAT 2022 PG program. A division bench of the High Court pertinently observed orally that a public interest litigation petition is not maintainable in service matters. Moreover, when a selection agency wants a candidate having certain qualifications, the court cannot sit over such a decision, the court has observed further. In an important development, the Delhi High Court has directed social media platforms to stop the circulation of a sexually explicit video in which a judicial officer is purportedly seen with a woman stated to be working on his staff. In an urgent hearing, a single-judge bench of Justice Yashwant Verma ordered social media platforms to ensure that the video is not shared, distributed, forwarded or posted any further. Justice Verma passed the order after noting that the concerned video is explicit in nature and that an irreparable harm is likely to be caused to the privacy rights of the concerned persons in the video. Shocked over the fact that a police sub-inspector had not even read the judgment of Arnesh Kumar vs. State of Bihar, which provides guidelines on arrest, the Madras High Court has observed that the Chief of Police has a duty to ensure that the guidelines reach every single police officer. The bench of Justice R. Subramanian and Justice K. Kumaresh Babu was hearing a petition by a lawyer who was suffering from locomotive disability, seeking an enhancement of compensation in an order of the State Human Rights Commission. The Delhi police has moved the High Court against the trial court's decision to discharge Congress MP Dr. Shashi Tharoor in the Sunanda Pushkar death case. Tharoor was discharged in August last year by Special Judge Gitanjali Goel of the Rouse Avenue Courts in Delhi. Justice Dinesh Kumar Sharma issued notice on Delhi Police's application seeking condonation of delay in approaching the court while listing the matter for further hearing next on February 7th next year. Thank you. Keep watching Courts This Week on LiveLaw for more such updates. See you next week.